Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the location on Google Play Store. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type play.google.com and hit the enter button. That will open this page for you, and of course if you are logged in into your account, that will be great. But if you are now logged in into your account, you'll find that the top right corner profile icon for you, it will be empty. If you click on it, just go and click at sign in, and you will be able to log in or even to create your account. Of course, you'll be able to do those two options even with your Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of the two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page. And of course, as you said in the beginning of the video, you would like to change your location. As you can, or as you notice, I'm here using the PC. But of course, if you are using Android, so on your Android device, just go and open the Google Play Store app. At the top right corner, tap at the profile icon, and then tap at settings, general accounts and device preference. Then tap the country where you want to add an account, and then follow the on-screen instructions to add a payment method for that country, and you'll be able to change the location of store. But if you are using the PC, there's only one way, which is using the VPN. Of course, you can just go and download a VPN, or if you already have it on your PC, that will be great. Or if you even have an extension like me, for me, I can just use this extension and choose whatever country I would like to be in. Then I would like to sign out, then sign in into my account. Then of course, or I can just leave here. And sorry, I just had like stupid trouble, but don't mind it. So okay, now I'm just going to open the Play Store again, or the Google Play Store again, and that will actually change the location. Of course, if that didn't change the location for you, you'll have to do another thing, is just to go and create another account with the VPN on. If it's not work for you, if this didn't work for you, which is the first one, without creating your account. But if it didn't work for you, will have to create an account with the VPN on whatever location you would like to change into it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.